the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I forgot to turn on my mic. So as you can see, I already have my base and my brows on, and today I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution palette. It's very affordable and the quality is also there. So I'll begin with this light shade as my transition shade in my crease. And now moving on to this corally shade to deepen my crease, especially in the outer corner, and I'm blending it in gradually, as you can see. And from the beginning, I'm creating this V shape to my eye, so it will look more elongated. And now I'll be cleaning my brush a little bit on my hand and taking a different color, this beautiful burgundy shade, and I'm putting it in my outer corner, and I'm blending it out and in gradually also. So now I'm putting my brush down and I'm using my finger for this beautiful shimmery shade. It looks like a pink champagne shade. It's very pretty, and I'm putting it on my lid. I don't know why, but these shimmery colors always work much better when you put them on with your fingers. And back to the brush, and I'm just blending softly the edges of those two colors together. So this is how the eye look looks for now, and I'm gonna be using this purple eyeliner from Essence as a base for my lower lash line for the shadows that we're gonna lay down there. And this is a beautiful shade actually by itself, but I wanted to use it as a base for the next color. So now I'm taking this small pencil or a smudging brush, call it as you want it, and I'm taking this burgundy shade over the purple pencil that we laid there before. And as you can see, the purple eyeliner changed the color of the eyeshadow a little bit and made it more deep and a little bit more purple. So now I'll clean this brush over my hand, just the excess that left on it, and I'm blending down the same color. So recently Essence came out with this liquid eyeshadow, and it's really pretty. They have a lot of shades. And it has this tendency when it dries down, if you rub it a little bit, it becomes more shimmery, and I really like it. Look at this shade, it's beautiful. And I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line just to bring some glossiness to the eye. So as you can see, I already have my mascara on, and today I used the Essence I Love Extreme Mascara, and it does wonders. I really like it. And for the face, I'm gonna be using this Freedom Makeup Pro Artist Pad Backstage palette, and this is huge and it has a lot of colors, and the quality is great. And I'm gonna be using the lightest shade for contouring today, and it's the best shade for pale girls. And for blush, I decided to go with this corally shade. So I went a little bit heavy-handed with the blush, so I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just blending it out a little bit to take off a little bit of the pigment. And for highlighter, I decided to mix those two shades together, and it turned out to be very pretty. And today I have two lip options for you guys, and I decided to go with this very dark purple shade, very vampy. It might look a little bit too much for this time of year, but I like those kind of shades, and I thought there's might be someone out there that likes it too. So this is option 1. Very vampy, very dark, very suitable for fall and winter time. But if you want to wear it, you can wear it anytime. That's just a matter of taste. And for the second option, I decided to go with something much lighter, and I thought that lip gloss can look awesome with this eye look too, and this makes it look a lot more summery and fresh. There you go, this is option 2 for your lips. And as always, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. The truth.